Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on GMX. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to share my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a free link in the description below. It's a no-brainer, guys. Look at this. I gave you BONG 230% up just a few days later. I gave you Digent 317% up just a few hours after I posted in the group. XRP, XLM 453%, Liquidity. And these are just a few examples, guys. I gave you Bread, I gave you Slurf, many other meme coins, AI tokens, gaming projects, RWAs, Deepin. All that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, guys. So make sure that you join as soon as possible. You have just a couple of days left. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, GMX is currently ranked 226. The price is at $45.41, 4% up for the day. And the market cap is sitting right above 448 million. So there is a lot of potential during this altcoin season. Before we look at the chart on TradingView, let's look at what is GMX real quick. GMX is a decentralized exchange for trading perpetual cryptocurrency futures with up to 50x leverage on popular currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more, like Solana, Avalanche. The platform launched in September of 2021 as Gambit Exchange. To date, GMX has a total trading volume of over 130 billion and 283,000 total users, making it the leading derivatives DEX on Arbitrum and Avalanche. So if you guys are looking to invest into a token that's playing into the Arbitrum or Avalanche narratives, this might be a very good pick for you. Especially Avalanche, guys, has been performing really well, and it's expected to perform really well during this upcoming bull run. First, we are going to see AVAX, the token, pumping, which is a large cap on Avalanche. And then after traders and investors are done with this, after they take profits, it's going to be easier for them to move their funds into mid caps and small caps that are built on the same blockchain. And therefore, I expect a lot of liquidity to start flowing slowly into tokens like GMX. Also, as you see here, the platform was launched in September of 2021. If we look at the chart on TradingView, we can see this, but technically, this token hasn't experienced a complete bull run before because it was created at the end of the previous bull run. So this is the first time that it's going to experience a complete full-blown bull run. And nobody knows how high this will run this time. That's why I am very bullish on this. Before we look at the chart on TradingView, let's look at their website real quick. You can find it at gmx.io. Look at this, decentralized perpetual exchange. Trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, AVAX, and other top cryptos with up to 100x leverage directly from your wallet. You can click this link right here and launch the app. You can go through their website on your own time. There is a lot of data here that you might be interested. I am not going to waste time here. This is their X account. You can find it at gmx_io. On-chain perpetual and spot exchange. Trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many other top crypto assets with up to 100x leverage directly from your own wallet. They have been pretty active on X, posting almost every single day. But what I wanted to point out is that they have over 220,000 followers, over 228,000 followers actually. So there is some kind of community that's supporting the project. This is the chart on TradingView. We are looking at GMX, USDT, daily chart on KuCoin. This token started trading on KuCoin in 2022. We had a small run up all the way up to $88, $89, where we formed this all-time high. And we saw a bearish double top pattern. People took profits and the price action pulled back, moving inside this triangle pattern that you see here on the chart. So we have this descending red trend line that had been acting as support. As you see, we had a nice bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and another one right here. And also we have this descending red trend line that has been acting as resistance. We had a few rejections here, another rejection, this one, and we are currently testing this resistance. If we zoom in, we see that the price action is trying to break above it. So what we want to see is this candle to close above this resistance. This is going to be really bullish. If this daily candle closes below this, we might be getting rejected here one more time. So if we get rejected, I expect more potential downside. As long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern. So if we see a rejection here, we might see the price action pulling all the way back down to this key trend line of support one more time. This is going to be a very nice buying opportunity if it happens for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, trying to front run the breakout above this triangle pattern. This triangle pattern has a chance of 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside, and therefore it's very possible that we are going to break above it sooner or later. For now, things look really nice. As you see here on the chart, I have this Adam and Eve pattern. This pattern has a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. And things are looking really good at the moment because the neckline of this Adam and Eve pattern is located at $44 and the price action is trading above it. So what we want to see is technically a daily candle to close above it. And I want to see a bounce here, getting ready for a continuation move to the upside. If the price action gets rejected here and we see a move to the downside, this Adam and Eve pattern might get invalidated. So for those of you who want to buy the breakout above the neckline of this Adam and Eve pattern, make sure that you set up your stop losses just in case the price action decides to pull back. If the price action pulls back, we might not see a deep pullback all the way down here again because altcoin season has just started. So we might see a pullback that is not that deep. This yellow line that you see here on the chart is the 200-day moving average. We might see a pullback here forming a higher low or something among these lines. This might be a very nice buying opportunity. If the price action stays above the neckline and breaks above this triangle pattern, I have a few targets here for you that you should be watching for. The first target is located at $56. The measured move from the current price levels to the first target is a 27% move approximately. The next target that I have here on the chart is located at $75.91. The measured move from the current price levels is going to be a 74% move approximately. I have a few more targets for you when it comes to this project, but if you want to find them, you gotta join my Telegram group. I shared this setup with my Telegram group just a few hours ago with way more Fibonacci levels of support and resistance. So if you're interested, click the link in the description and join for free. You can find this setup there. If I zoom out, I have a few price predictions here for you. The first one is all the way up here at $227. GMX is going to reach this price target of $227 if it pulls a 5x move from the current price levels. If GMX pulls a 5x move, it's going to have a market cap of 2.24 billion approximately. And this is my first price prediction for 2025. Look at this triangle pattern, guys. It looks really bullish to me. Ready to pop. And this is going to be the greatest altcoin season of all time. And since GMX is a token that's playing into the avalanche narrative, I am really bullish on it. I think that GMX can pull a move that's greater than 5x. So I have another price prediction here for you, which is basically double. If GMX pulls a 10x move, it's going to have a price of $454 and a market cap of 4.48 billion. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what is your price prediction for GMX for 2025? Do you think that a 10x move is too high for this token? Or we can easily surpass that? Again, I remind you that even though this project was created on September of 2021, it hasn't experienced a complete bull run before. This is going to be the first time. And this is the leading derivatives DEX on Avalanche and Arbitrum. So if there is one DEX that's playing into the Arbitrum and Avalanche narratives that's going to draw attention, this might be the one. In the coming days, weeks, and months, I am going to post updates on these Fibonacci levels and price predictions, depending on how the crypto market is doing, depending on how GMX is performing. I am going to have more data to give more accurate price predictions. So make sure that you hit the bell icon so you receive notifications on these updates that I'm going to be posting. Also, please click the like button because it helps with the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel and join my Telegram group as soon as possible, as long as it's free, guys. That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.